So the question today is, do you use that little gap between feeling your emotions and then your response? Because everybody's responsible for their response ability, right? I'm responsible for my response ability, and you're responsible for your responsibility. Right, Mr. Egret? And so do you take that little gap of time between feeling your emotions and your response and use it? Yeah, you got to use it, don't you? Yeah. So you have to feel your emotions. And then you have to use that gap. You know what that's called? When you get rid of that fear, you get rid of the negative emotion and that negative response, and realize what reality is, you can stand tall. Yeah. So use that gap. That's called emotional intelligence, using the gap to insert your intelligence. Spot on.